Welcome guys back to a brand new Roblox video on Build a Boat. We do look like exactly the same. Dr. Pepper, like I said, even though in previous video, even though he his Roblox characters is Roblox and Hawk, but
yes,
we got cool animations. So which I think, okay, we're gonna be building. Alright, and you guys remember in the previous, we have started the video. You guys remember in the previous video, we've been finishing this up. So we're gonna start down here on the floor, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get back to you guys when we are ready to go. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna get back to you guys after we get the floor done. Get back to you guys when I get the floor done.
Play fast.
Okay, guys, guess what? Don't guess this, but this is gonna take days and days and days before we get this floor done, because we're running out of blocks right now. And hey, Hawk, do you want to finish this part right here? I'm getting slow. I'm slow.
Let's cut this in pieces and keep on cutting in pieces until it gets small, and then we'll start tomorrow, and we'll start building it tomorrow.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna cut this whole. We're gonna be putting these whole thing in pieces. You guys should really seriously make a like and comment on this video. This is gonna take us like a couple days to get this done.
I'm not gonna lie, after this I can show my boat before you end it off.
Right there, I'm getting him starters on the lines. So that's kinda good.
You get the starters, I'll start building them back.
Okay, I got your starter right there, it's a small one. Yeah, we're trying to make them as close as we can because we don't want to do a big section that would take forever. Okay, hold on. Let me grab some boost here. Let me grab some running ability here. Running.
I need it too.
Oh, that's jumping ability. Oops, I don't think. Oh, we're out of running ability. Can you get running ability out of here?
Yeah.
Just 2 yellow ones for us. Okay, guys, what I'm going to show you is we got jumping ability right here and running ability and shrinking ability. But we got this, this was a big part, and then we started hey, how about we start splitting it in half? And that's when we thought about this part right here. This is kind of like a football field, but it's not. It's a boat.
Right now, after we get done with all this, like the floor and stuff, and we build the walls, it'll start looking good.
Yeah, it will start looking good as soon as we get these walls up. That'll probably be another day because it's 3 here.
I would pause the video, and then we'll get back to them after we get the lines, and then I say we show them my other boat. And then we'll do that in another episode.
Alright guys, we'll get back to you as soon as we get the lines done. Alright guys, welcome. We're back. We are on the last 2. We're not going to have enough blocks, guys. We're going to have to start grinding some gold. That's what my partner just said. Actually, we're both partners. I'm only doing this halfway, and then he's a really fast. He can do this really fast. So I'm just helping him out a little, so he can just do it halfway. And then he's gonna let me know when he wants to take over on this part. So okay, he's gonna take over now. So I hope you guys like this video. Please, I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe on this video. This is gonna take a while now. What I'm thinking is we should start splitting them in the middle, in between each line now, which we should start doing so we can like.
Okay, that's it.
Infected.
Right now.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So we're probably gonna make another video tonight. I hope so. If I'm not too tired, if I'm too tired, I'll put an announcement out. Yeah, Hawk's gonna be in it, and we're gonna let you guys know if we're going to bed or not, because just to give you guys an update that there's not gonna be another video tonight. So I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna go do something, and I guess I'll be putting out the announcement probably in a couple of hours or so. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye. You say bye, Hawk? Hawk.
Bye.
Yep. Bye, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. And now your turn. Make sure you guys, one more thing, make sure you guys go check out Dr. Pepper. Like, comment, subscribe on his too, on both of ours. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye-bye.
You make me